The query menu is used to extract data from the various tables in the database. We can minimize the submenu options by clicking on the double arrow. The query main page has three areas: Select Tables, Select Columns, and Set Filter. In the Select Table areas, we can open up the various tables within the database through the drop-down menu. Here you can see the various tables that exist in the database, including the balance sheets, the cash flow statements, income statements, various ratio tables, dividends, as well as the price data. We will select the valuation ratios table from work area A. We can see the columns are populated into the Select Columns box. We will also select the balance sheet annual table from work area B. The select columns or select fields are where we can actually select the fields or columns of information from the tables above. In this case, we will select the symbol. We'll use the Control key on our keyboard to select additional fields, including the as of date, price to earnings ratio, and price to book ratio. From area B, we will select accounts payable, accounts receivable, total assets, and total debt. The common fields area are fields that are common between the two tables. In this case, we will select all three: the exchange, the date, and the symbol. What this means is that we're looking for information that is common between the valuation ratios and the balance sheet annual on the basis of symbol, exchange, and date. We will use the Set Filter option to extract data from the table specifically. In this case, we will use the symbol field or column from work area A. So we're looking at the symbol from the valuation ratios. We will want it equal to, and in this case we will use Microsoft as our sample. Click anywhere on the screen and we see A.symbol equals MSFT. So we're asking it to filter Microsoft, where the symbol is equal to Microsoft, from the valuation ratios, which we've joined with the balance sheet annual on the basis of these fields. We can generate this query and we produce the table of results. Here you can see the as of date, symbol, price to earnings, and price to book ratio information from the valuation ratios table, and the accounts payable, accounts receivable, total assets, and total debt from the balance sheet annual. We can also graph this information. We will select as of date in the x-axis, and in this case we will select total assets on the y-axis, and we can plot them as a column. So these are the three sections of the query menu: the ability to extract the data by identifying the tables and the fields, as well as any filter that we want to apply to the table, viewing the results,